Say hi. Hi. We just watched a scary movie. It was that one all up. It was just ruined that whole thing.
It was like you were saying a non-scary.
I know, that's what I was about to say. It was supposed to be about, okay, it's supposed to be scary, but it wasn't. But it was about this man, and he like, this man, he kills these people, like brings them to the alleys and crap, and he rapes them too, but only some of them, and they like.
They scream, he picks their eyes out.
They scream, and he pecks their eyes out and stuff. It's really cool. Well, not really.
I fucking get that though.
I know.
Didn't even show him pecking eyes out.
Yeah, but he was supposed to.
Screams, then he's gonna cut her eyes out.
Yeah, something like that.
But he didn't.
Okay, and listen, and then what? Yeah, we were so scared, but anyways, and then the witness person, he like finds him and he videotapes him, but then they became friends, and then they like do stuff together, like
No,
not
he
like
made him do it.
Yeah, he made him do it, or he would kill him or something like that. And so at the end, he kills. Wait, you know what? You're just gonna have to watch this movie because I don't want to tell you because then I'm gonna ruin it.
That's not even really what the movie was about. It was about his mom, but okay.
Yeah, it was about his mom, something like that. But this is what it is. Yeah, it's pretty scary. But I'm gonna turn this off now because it's freaking me out. Yeah. So.
No, it's quiet. It's turn on your thingy.
I'm scared.
I'll walk with you.
I got a wedgie, that's what I got. Okay. Do we like always have fucking more? I know, right? Yeah, these freaking underwear, man.
I know, fucking boy shorts.
Yo, dude, oh my god, we're videotaping
Who
here.
cares? Everybody wears underwear, they're just gonna have to get over it.
Everyone gets a wedgie, even guys.
I'm not wearing.
I get wedgies.
I'm not wearing this. I'm also
I
wearing
have a
boy
wedgie
shorts.
right now.
I'm not wearing dental floss either, I'm wearing boy shorts.
I know, me too.
You wearing boy shorts? I'm wearing boy shorts. You're wearing boy
Look, they say
shorts.
hottie on them. Don't show the camera.
Mine are polka dots.
They say hottie.
You already saw mine.
Mine have hearts on them.
I have
Mine are
flames.
blue too.
I have flames.
No, mine are
They're
pink.
Awesome, I got pink.
No!
What's wrong, Danielle?
No!
What's your problem?
Stop being mean.
I'm not being. I'm being mean.
Well, you're like having an attitude.
I have an attitude.
Yeah?
Shut up.
That's bad. Ever.
Yo, my
See, there you go again.
Yeah, Danielle, because you're the one putting me in the
Okay.
mood.
Yo, I have a headache.
Cool, I don't really care.
See, you're the one being a bitch, not me.
Okay.
Okay.
It's been 3 minutes and 49 seconds. 50 seconds.
Woo! My eyes hurt. Penis. Woo! Memory is low. One new message. Shut it.
Who said shut it?
Evan.
Okay.